everyone. So if you're trying to transfer files from your camera to your other devices, your Android, your Apple, your laptop, Apple as in the phone, and your device does not have any room for SD cards, watch this, because I'm going to teach you how to transfer files using this little cheap ass device, and it's called a card reader, and you can even get it on Amazon for as little as 10 euros or even less. And I'm going to be showing you how to use it to transfer files from your camera to your other devices. All you need to do is make sure it's a USB-C, or if you're using an iPhone or a MacBook, get the one for iPhone and Apple. But it's basically the same way you're going to use it on iPhone, the same way you're going to use it on Samsung or other Android phones. All you need to do is get out your SD card. Obviously you're using an SD card adapter, and then put it in the card reader like this. Like this. So when you're done inserting it, just plug it into your phone. So if you're using an iPhone, make sure it's a USB for iPhones, and this is a USB-C because I'm using a Samsung. It works for any phone. Just make sure you're using the right point. I don't know what is this point called. I don't know what it's called, but basically you get the message. So plug it in, and look, it now has a blue light, which means it's turned on. Now after plugging it into your phone, go to your files, and you see USB storage 1, and that's your card reader. Click on it, and then to see your video, go to private, click on M4 root, clip, and then you see all your videos. Then select the one you want to transfer and move. Then go back to internal storage. Select your preferred folder where you want to save your video, and then move here. And that's basically how to do it. As you can see, the video has been moved. Now your pictures are in a different place. It's in DCIM. Click on any of the folders and you would see your pictures. And you can also apply the same method to move it by just selecting, go to move, go to internal storage, click on pictures and move here. And now the picture has been moved into the internal storage. And it's the same thing for the laptop as well. Just plug it in, make sure the light is turned on, and then scroll down, go to USB drive, and then inside you would see private, you go to M4, basically the same way you would operate it in your phone. Then you can move the SD card into your laptop if you choose, but I personally don't like to do that because I don't want my laptop to get filled. So I would just simply leave it in until I'm done with my editing and content creation, then I get it out, so the file doesn't get into the laptop. But if you want to transfer your content from your SD card to the laptop, you can still do it by just simply moving it, like the way you always transfer things from different folders. That's just how you do it. So if you're interested in this, I have it in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box. Click on it and you can get it for less than 10 euros. And I have other tech reviews that you might be interested in, so click here for videos like that. And also I have videos on AI that will be really good for you as a content creator and an entrepreneur. So click here if you're interested in that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.